Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Duncan. Today we're painting this picture here. It's a floral abstract painting, slightly abstract. It's with a peacock butterfly, which I've painted onto it as well. So let me show you how I did this. I'll talk you through it. Let's paint. So we start off just by putting in a green background to start with. I'm going to do this as a fairly sort of semi-abstract background. Some intention here was just to make it look like there's a lot of undergrowth, plants and some flowers, some thistles actually, pink thistles. So just in an abstract way, putting in some flowers. And also originally, as you can see here, I was putting in some yellow flowers into the background. And as you see later, I actually change that and take them out again. So just making those flowers look pink and putting in different shades there. Now I'm going to starting doing the outline of the butterfly. So I decided I'd paint a peacock butterfly. So just painting in the outline there. Little markings on the wings. And now starting to colour them in. There's quite a lot of detail on this, on the butterfly. And now you can see this is where I decided to change the background. I had a rethink. I thought, nope, I'll take those flowers out, those yellow flowers, and I'll make it look like there's a sky there. So I just started changing that background. So now I'm just filling in the details, a bit more details onto the butterfly. A lot of redoing, going over with finer touches. Just touching up the background again, adding a bit more to it. Into the flowers, adding on some little white dots, little flecks onto the flowers to make them look like the sun shining on them. Just putting in those little extra markings onto the wings there, those little white markings. And boldening out the markings there on the lower wings. And so there's a finished painting. So I hope you enjoyed that painting. Please let me know in the comments if you did. Give me a thumbs up. And so until the next painting, the next video, I'll see you soon. Bye.